Yeah, guys, I'm back again with my trouble or anything you want to call it. So I'm back again. So I want to show you guys a trade I made today on UOJPY. So it's a very simple trade. I traded it on this New York season. I just closed the trade not too long ago, maybe and it's not maybe around three. I closed the trade maybe around three. Around three. Can be like that, yes. What am I even saying? Yes, around three. I closed the trade around three. Somewhere. No, 240 something. Let's just say 240 something. So that's when I closed the trade in Nigeria time. Because I'm in Nigeria. So I just want to show you guys how I place the trade, the reason I place the trade, and I will put this stuff on like replay so you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, so I saw the trade set up on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so I lost the trade around there. I did not see this trend line. That was not yesterday or day before yesterday. It was not yesterday. So I didn't see this trend line. Well, I was thinking maybe like it was just somehow shy. It was some emotional stuff. You know, I took loss here. I took loss here. I set my stop loss around here, so I took loss here. Thank God I set my stop loss. That's why it's very good to set stop loss. So yeah, retest here. I was thinking that it will retest. In fact, it was around here I took the trade here because it already give me a sign that I'm going. I was like, thank God it's going. I just placed the trade. It did not even go forward again. It just went up once. Boom. I was saying, okay, maybe it will return. Boom. It will return. Boom. Oh, it will return. It will return. It's my trade closed around here. I was thinking, it would form a double top around there and come back. Boom, it went up again. Thank God, my trade was closed and everything settled. So now I'm going to show you how this trade went. So I drew this chart pattern. I can't remember the name actually, but I feel like it's should I even search for it? Okay, let me search for it. No. Let me just search for it. So it's oh shit. Let me check if I can. Oh, I can remember the name now. It's like this one is oh yes, the descending triangle, yeah. Oh wow, yeah, the descending triangle, which mostly in the lower time frame, it indicates it's giving us a bearish signal. So I took this trade because of some confluence. So first, this is something that maybe most people won't see, but I saw it because like I used to look at the higher time frame very well. So I saw this pattern here, like it's trying to reject this point that it has reached before. So it was number one pattern that I saw that made me say, okay, at least somewhere here to get to somewhere here. If it wants to continue with this, what do you call it? This inverse head and shoulder, if it wants to, even though you don't want to, but at least to get to this point. So it was the main reason I was interested in the trade. So now, so it was simple. I drew my triangle, my descending triangle. Then I went to the 15-minute time frame to look for entry. So what I was looking for now was something that will make me like something. I was looking for a candlestick pattern, but I want that candlestick pattern to indicate the main direction. Like it should show me that this is where I'm going to really. So I waited. I saw this one. I was thinking, this one will hold, but it did not hold. I waited again. It was just moving around till I saw this big move. Yeah, Actually, I saw the move, big move. I wanted to take a trade. I didn't still take a trade. I waited. Yeah, this was when I I took a trade. So I took the trade around here. Yeah, I took the trade around here. So I took my trade around here, and my stop loss was just here, around 20. Yeah, around 28. I purposely put my stop loss there. So in case it wants to do any, because I took my entry at the lower at the 15-minute time frame. I don't want any, because I don't want anything at all that will cause any stupid commotion or anything. So I took my trade there. So now it was time to set my take profit. I wanted to set my take profit here at this point here. But I saw that if I set my take profit, I'll be violating my rule of 2:1. Like I must have a two. I must be risking one for two. I must be risking one for two. So I was like violating that rule. So you can call this stubbornness or anything. So I had to use this old method of measuring from year to year. All the method in this forex trading now are old. Apart from all these indicators, all this technical analysis, they are old. So I had to use this strategy, this old method of setting take profits. So that was what I did, and it was time to wait. I waited. It did me small stuff here. That almost made me close the trade. So I waited. It went down, went up. It was just boom, boom, boom till this move. Yeah, till it hit the take profits. So I already closed my trade and I made out 74.2 pips. So that's just the trade I placed today. That's all. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how I placed the trade. And on my next video, I'll be showing you. I want to start doing like strategy videos. So I'll be showing you like little tutorial of how I place my stop loss, the reason I place my stop loss, the reason I place my take profit, some like entry strategy I used to like to take, and yeah. So that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, spam the comment section. Anything you want to do. Everything is for free. You understand? Yeah. And please, I have a Telegram group. Please join the group so that you can see when I'm taking this action, and you won't be seeing the story like the way I'm posting it on YouTube now. You won't be seeing the story, you'll be seeing it action when I'm taking the action immediately. You understand? So yeah. So this trade might still come down. So it might be like maybe this trade just want to do like a little what do you call it? A little retracement. So after this big move, does that a little retracement. So I just want to show you the way it look like in a 1 hour time frame. It's like I did not even place anything. It's just like, yeah. What am I even saying? It was less than it was more than an hour. It was like, geez, it was like 2 hours. It was like 2 hours of taking the trade. Yeah. It was 2 hours and some minutes of taking the trade. 2 hours and some minutes. Yeah, that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. I don't want this video to be too long. And bye.